Why does my face look so different as I'm aging? Let's talk about it. We start losing collagen by the time we are 30, but what people don't tell you is that your body stops producing collagen by the time you're 25. And then you start losing 1% of that collagen every single year. That's why you're probably looking at pictures from 2 or 3 years ago and you're like, what is going on? I don't look like the same person. My folds are more noticeable. That's the complaint that I see all the time in consultation, that I see all the time in social media, is people saying, the smile line, the smile line, the smile lines. Well, let's talk about why do we get smile lines. I had them. It's completely natural. We're human beings. Even babies have smile lines. Nothing is going to get rid of them 100%. Not even a facelift or a deep plain facelift is going to get rid of the smile line. It's going to make them improve 100%, but it's not going to disappear. As we're aging, yes, we're losing collagen and yes, we're losing elastin, but we're also losing structure on your face, meaning that we're losing bone, we're losing muscle, we're losing fat pads. So everything starts coming all the way down. You see more folds, you see the jawline forming, and in some patients, you don't see a jawline anymore because everything is falling down. That's why I tell my patients, if you're coming here for a consultation and you want me to improve your folds, we need to look at the whole picture, not just filling the area with derma filler. We need to give structure all over again to your face. And this is the analogy that I tell all of my patients. When you're building a house from scratch, you have to put the foundation of the house, right? You put the foundation and you start putting the walls and putting the cement. The last thing that you put on your house is the decor, right? So you're building the structure of the house first, meaning I need to stimulate collagen all over again in my face. After I stimulate collagen, I want to thicken the dermis of the skin. I want to make sure my skin is nice and strong before I jump into filler. People have this misconception that filler is everything. I disagree. I think filler does have a specific purpose in the aesthetic industry, but it's not everything. I would prefer to do collagen stimulation. I would prefer to thicken the dermis, to do lasers, microneedling, radiofrequency microneedling, whatever it is to thicken the dermis. And then we can strategically add filler if needed. But it's not, in my opinion, everything is not filler. It's not like let's put filler. No, let's do biostimulation. If you finished this video and you made it to the end, then I have a gift for you. If you're new to my practice, comment the word new, and I'm going to send you a $50 gift card for you to use on your first visit with Golden Rose.